Have you ever wondered how sexual relations are perceived in the context of Islam? A question that might seem controversial, but it's an important aspect of understanding the diverse perspectives of different cultures and religions. Sex in Islam is a topic that is guided by a set of principles and guidelines mentioned in the Quran, the Hadith, which are the sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad, and Islamic jurisprudence. One of the cornerstones of sexual relations in Islam is the marital relationship. Islam encourages sexual relations solely within the bounds of a legal and legitimate marriage. Any extramarital sexual relations are considered sinful and are strongly discouraged. Key to any sexual activity within a marriage is the concept of consent. Both spouses must agree and consent to any sexual activity. It's a mutual right for both the husband and the wife to seek and enjoy pleasure from their sexual relationship. Privacy is another essential aspect of sexual relations in Islam. Sexual intimacy is seen as a private matter, and it is encouraged to maintain this privacy. Modesty, a key principle in Islam, also extends to sexual relations. It is encouraged to uphold modesty even during private moments. Certain sexual acts are explicitly prohibited in Islam. These include homosexual acts and bestiality. Mutual respect is a fundamental principle in all aspects of a relationship, including sexual relations. Both the husband and wife are expected to treat each other with kindness and respect. Cleanliness and ritual purity, known as wudu, are also significant before engaging in sexual relations. Family planning is permitted in Islam within certain guidelines. It's crucial to consult with religious scholars or experts for specific guidance on this matter. It's crucial to remember that interpretations of Islamic teachings can vary among different scholars and cultural contexts. Therefore, it's advisable to seek guidance from a knowledgeable religious authority if you have specific questions about sexual matters in Islam. In summary, sexual relations in Islam are guided by principles of consent, privacy, modesty, mutual respect, and cleanliness. They are encouraged within the bounds of a legal and legitimate marriage, with certain acts being explicitly prohibited. Remember, interpretations can vary, so seeking guidance from a knowledgeable authority is always a good idea.